To apply the sensors, first you're going to take the 3 that go on the right side of the head. And as you can see, for the right ones, we have a yellow one, a blue one, and a black one. The black one is the ground and it goes at the bottom of the ear. So we'll start with that one. You're going to take your conductive paste and take a generous amount to scoop it out. Then you're going to put it just at the bottom of the ear. The black goes at the bottom because it's the ground. If you're applying it to yourself or someone who is wearing earrings, that's fine. Just make sure none of the conductive paste or the sensors touch the earring. You don't have to take them off. Next we'll do the blue, and this one also goes on top of the ear. And again, you're going to take a generous amount of paste and just scoop it on. We usually say about an ice cream scoop full. You can imagine what that would look like. And we're just going to put it at the top of the ear, wherever is comfortable. Like that. Finally, the yellow sensor. And as you can see, this one isn't a clip, it's just a single one. And this is the one that's going to go on the head. Also, we usually put just our finger behind the sensor as we're scooping the conductive paste, so it doesn't break off. And you can see that's quite a bit of paste. That's good. Now when it comes to placing the sensors, the easy way to think about it is that we have the ear and we have the top of the head. We're going to find about the middle and then just go a little bit higher than that. The sensors take the sum of the cortical electrical activity, so it doesn't have to be exact, but we do want it around that place, which is halfway and then a little bit higher. And you want to find the scalp, not the hair. It's very important that the conductive paste touches the scalp instead of the hair. And then just gently push it down. You don't want to push it down all the way. You still want the conductive paste in between the sensor and the scalp. And you can ask whoever you're putting on if they feel a coldness. That means that the paste has reached the scalp and not just is sitting on the hair. So that's the right side done. We'll move on to the left side. And as you can see, there's only 2 sensors on the left side because we already have the ground on the right side. So I'll just do the same thing. Scooping an ice cream scoop full of paste. Do this at the top of the ear like the other blue one. Just like that. And now the last one. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find about the halfway point in between the ear and the top of the head. And then go a little bit higher than that. Find the right place. And find the scalp and then just gently press it on. And then you're ready to start your session. If you're doing it on yourself, you can just use a mirror. It's a little bit more difficult, but you'll have no problem using a mirror.